Hello friends, it's Miss Anna from the Council Bluffs Public Library back with you today with some more stories about birds. And I have a friendly little helper with me today. What's your name, helper?
Avery.
And Avery is helping me today because I forgot my magnet board at the library, and so I don't have anything to hold up my pictures of birds. So Avery, can you hold up our first bird picture? All right, my friends, so this is a picture of a bird that lives in a tree. I hope that you can see it well enough to know what it is. Do you have any guesses? Avery, do you know what it is?
An owl.
It's an owl, and an owl says,
Hoot!
hoo, hoo, hoo. Yep. So our owl in the tree is going to say hoo, hoo, while we sing our song. So you do it with me, friends, when you catch on. Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Owl in the tree goes hoo, hoo, hoo. Flap your wings, my darling. Flap your wings. Now, friends, earlier Avery said to me, Mom, I don't have wings. It's okay, we can all just pretend, right? Yep.
No, I said, I thought I said the rooster.
Let's show the next bird. Who's our next bird? You can put that one on the floor. Or that's fine too. Okay. We're just working it out here. We practiced, but we didn't practice this part. All right, my friends, so we have a group of birds in this picture. What do you think they might be? They're ducks, aren't they? Do you know what a duck says? What's a duck say, Avery?
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, 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 quack. And these ducks are swimming in some water. What kind of water do you think that could be? Do you have any guesses? What do you think, Avery?
A pool?
A pool? It's not a pool, it's a pond, right? Yep, the ducks are in the pond. Ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack. Ducks in the pond go quack, quack, quack. Flap your wings, my darling. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. There we go. I hope you're flapping your wings at home too. All right, let's see what our next bird is. Next bird, kiddo. All right, so our next bird has some babies. This is probably a bird that you see in your yard sometimes. It's called a robin. And the robin is here with her babies, and they live in, what do they live in? Can you hold that up a little bit? They live in a nest. And can you see what the robin is feeding those babies? What is it, Avery? Worms. It's worms. Ew. Do you think you ate worms when you were a baby? No, just birds do that. All right, so our birds are in the nest and they say, tweet, 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 tweet. Can you tweet like a bird?
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Robin in the nest goes tweet, tweet, tweet. Flap your wings, my darling. Flap your wings, everybody. There we go. All right, we have one last bird. Let's see what this last one is. And this bird lives on a farm. It's all right, just hold it up. There we go. All right, so does anybody know what this bird is called? It's a rooster. And the rooster is in the farmyard. And so we're gonna say rooster in the yard. And what, my friends, does a rooster say? Should we tell him, Avery?
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Yep. Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster in the yard goes cock-a-doodle-doo. Flap your wings, my darling. Flap your wings one last time and fly away, birds. There we go. All right, I'm gonna take these pictures and put them over here with my ukulele. And to grab 2 little blackbirds. And so I have 2 little blackbirds. One is named Jack. Avery, can you put one finger up in the air? Yep. And you guys should do this at home too. One is named Jack and one is named Jill. Fly away, Jack. One behind your back. Fly away, Jill. The other behind your back. And guess what happens next? Come back, Jack. Come back, Jill. Avery, you gotta do it too. Bring him back. There we go. 2 little blackbirds flying in the sky. One named Low and one named High. Fly away, Low. Fly away, High. Come back, Low. Come back, High. There we go. All right, back in the middle. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a pole. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. How come yours aren't flying away fast and slow? Come back fast. Come back slow as you can. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a car. One named Near, so you bring your bird close to you, and one named Far, so reach far away. Fly away, Near. Fly away, Far. Come back, Near. Come back, Far. There we go. And 2 little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet. And one named Loud! Fly away, Quiet. Fly away, Loud! Come back, Quiet. Come back, Loud! Friends, can you tell which one was Avery's favorite one to do? Is it Quiet and Loud? Should we do it one more time?
Loud.
Yeah, Loud is your favorite, yeah. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a cloud. One named Quiet. And one named Loud! Fly away, Quiet. Fly away, Loud! Come back, Quiet. Come back, Loud! There we go. Nice job, everybody. I hope you had fun with your 2 little finger blackbirds at home. Oh, Avery is tweeting at me now. All right, my friends, those are all the stories I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed them, and I will look forward to seeing you again very soon. Have a great day, everybody.